Your offer isn't enough. You see, most coaches, consultants, and service providers often believe that their core offer is enough to get high volume, high ticket sales. And the truth is, it's just not. I mean, your offer, your core offer alone will get you so far, but if you want to elevate and you want to have really high conversions, like 50, 60, 70%, conversions from webinars or presentations or anything else that you're doing in terms of sales conversations, then this is going to be a game changer for you. You need to have world-class bonuses, and I'm going to show you how to break this down step by step in this video, so come along for the journey. So look, I've done hundreds of presentations and I've changed my offer dozens of times, and I've helped clients transition their offers dozens of times and help them to generate hundreds of thousands of pounds in additional revenue for their business. And what I've found is that there's 3 core bonuses that you need. Well, there's more, but I'm going to walk you through 3 of them today. That's really going to help you to rethink about how you're positioning your offer and what type of bonuses that you should have. Okay, so these 3 bonuses, by the way, have made me £198,000 in 3 days. So they're really, really valuable, and this is how you're going to structure them, and this is how you're going to position them. And you want to make sure that you have these 3 things in any one of your offers when you're delivering a live presentation, whether that be one-to-one, one-to-few, or one-to-many. And one-to-many, of course, is going to get you the most amount of sales in the shortest amount of time because you're speaking one-to-what? One-to-many. Okay, good. So, and what you're going to have in the first type of bonus, so obviously up here, you have your core offer. Now, your core offer is essentially the main thing that you sell. So I don't know what that is for you. Maybe it's 2 grand, maybe it's 5 grand, maybe it's 10 grand, whatever that might be. But usually that's going to be the core thing that you are selling inside the presentation. Okay, cool. And then underneath your core offer, you're going to add a series of bonuses. And those bonuses typically, sometimes they're going to be 3, sometimes they're going to be 7 bonuses that you're going to add. I like to add 3 to 7 bonuses, and 3 feels like a good sweet spot for your audience. So first, you want to have what we call a quick win bonus. What does that mean? A quick win bonus is designed to do exactly what it says on the tin and get your ideal client a quick win. So let's say you're charging 5 grand for your core offer, no problem, right? But what if you can get them a quick win that helps them to generate an extra £5,000 in the next 30 days? You see, you've got to think strategically, because most people don't think over a long period of time, but they would much rather see how they can accelerate and get their money back in some way, shape or form, or get their time back, or get a quick win result, whether that's saving them time, saving them on staff costs, saving them on relationships, saving them on, getting them a faster win with their health. Whatever it might be, you want to have something that's a quick win bonus. Let me give you a quick example. So our core offer, or one of our core offers, is the Premium Value Presentation Masterclass, which is a world-class online digital program that helps our clients to magnetize their ideal clients, master their message, and multiply their revenue so that they can add tens of thousands of pounds to their business and serve their clients at an even higher level. Then I'm also going to add in a quick win bonus. So what's that? So I'm going to say, in addition to that, now, if you watch my previous training on that, when you will see that in the core offer, I'm going to go name of the offer, I'm going to go single sentence benefit statement, and then I'm going to give 3 to 7 highlights on my core offer. That's in another video. Next, you're going to have a quick win bonus. In addition to that, watch this transition, okay? Clients ask me all the time, Jazz, how do I actually generate the leads on social media so that I can master my presentation, I can get loads of leads in? And that's exactly why I created the Social Media Double Your Business in 35 Days Masterclass. And then I'm going to transition into what that does, the 3 to 7 highlights. And I will say something like, that's going to show you exactly what to say on social media, who to say it to, and exactly how to say it so that you can generate an extra £5,000 to £10,000 like many of my clients have done in just 35 days. Look, I can't tell you how many people have come up to me in the street that have never met me in person before. They see me at the train station or at the airport and they say, Jazz, I did your social media masterclass and I made £3,000 in just 35 days. Or Jazz, I made £7,000 in just 35 days and I've doubled my business. That masterclass is 90 minutes of world-class training and it will show you exactly what to say and how to say it so that you can accelerate your success and double your business in 35 days or less. Okay. So we can walk through that quick win bonus that is specifically designed to get them a fast action result. And it doesn't have to be financially oriented, right? But it has to get them a quick win. Hey, if you like this video, you're going to absolutely love the Business Growth Community. It's where I give you daily tips on how to accelerate your business growth, and you're going to be able to network with world-class entrepreneurs and business owners just like you, some of whom could even become your business partners or joint ventures later down the line. Plus, you get access to world-class trainings and insights to help you accelerate your business growth faster than ever before every single day. So go ahead, tap or click the link below this video now and get yourself immediate access. Oh, wait, but before I go, if you're a six-figure business owner right now and you're looking for ways to grow and scale, add an additional 100K to £1 million plus to your revenue by implementing world-class premium value presentations, I'm hosting a special event right here at my office very soon. There'll be a link if you're a six-figure business owner right now where you can apply to join the Business Growth Academy and get a complimentary business growth strategy session from me. So go ahead, tap or click the link below this video, and I hope to see you there. Take care, back to the video. The next one that we want to cover is the bonus that's going to eliminate pain. Now, inside your offer, if you're good at what you do, typically you're going to have something that is quite lengthy, that is quite robust, something that takes a lot of time and effort to do and to work through. Or it takes some time and effort to work through, right? Because there's no results without effort, of course. But what you want to have is something that eliminates that pain point, something that removes that friction for them. So what are we talking about here? What could we have? We can have tools. We can have templates. If you're a sales trainer, you can have sales scripts. If you are a marketing agency, you should have done for you landing pages. These sorts of things are going to help your client to accelerate their results. You should have done for you email scripts. Hey, the top 100 email scripts that we've used for our clients that have generated over £10 million in revenue. Oh, I want that. It's better than just saying email script, right? So, and like if you're a marketing agency and you're thinking, well, that's a bit high. Well, listen, if you've helped hundreds of clients, then if you combine that result of what you've helped them to create, of course you've helped them create over £10 million using those scripts. See, bingo, but you just have to position it in a way that is authentic, but in a way that also maximizes your authority. Vusi Tembakwayo is an amazing consultant in South Africa, and he said it like this. How did he say it? He said, you must always speak the truth, but you must amplify the truth. I love it. You must amplify it, right? Because look, nobody's going to see your value unless you share it. So you got to start to share that value in a way that really amplifies your truth. Okay, so eliminate the pain bonus, tools, templates, trackers, scripts, done for you templates. Oh my goodness, that's going to save me 10 hours of work trying to do it myself. Fantastic. So you want to have something that eliminates the pain, and typically that's going to be some sort of tool, a template, something that is already done for you. And if you're not sure about what to do in that respect, then just think about what you've already created for your clients. You know, what have you already done for your clients that's helped them to get a marvelous result? And then take that, create it into a script or a process and give it to them. It's like we've got an offer checklist, right? That for our academy clients, we go through a whole entire offer audit and checklist that they can go through step by step to make sure that their offer is world class. And when I'm reviewing their presentation, as part of our academy training, we call it a content review. I'm reviewing their presentation. I just go through that whole offer script. And they look, if they can't invest £25,000, £35,000 to work with me, no problem. I'm gonna just give you the script, and I might give you that as a free complimentary bonus. Does that add significant value? Absolutely. And it eliminates the pain. So at a lower end offer, maybe I've got a £2,000 offer that I'm talking about here now, then I can eliminate that pain for them by taking something out of my higher value offer, positioning it in here, that my clients typically invest £10,000 or more for inside our academy, I'm going to give that to you absolutely complimentary today. Can you see how that feels? I've anchored the price up here, £10,000 or more in our academy. And our academy is a 12-month business partnership program where I partner with business owners to help them get an accelerated result and double their business. And you typically do that in 90 days or less. You can go and look at our testimonials if you want to see evidence of that. But essentially, I positioned the £10,000 and then I'm said, look, you're going to get access to this complimentary, absolutely free. Brilliant languaging. And then you want to have a third type of bonus, which is what we call a big win bonus. What is going to help them to get a massive win? So we've got the quick win that might help them to, in our case, help them to generate an extra £3,000 to £10,000. Now we want to have a big win bonus, something that's going to help them get a magnificent result. And like for us, as an example, we have what we call a 5-day cash campaign. And that 5-day cash campaign is a series of world-class scripts that I've spent the last 7 years developing, mastering, tightening, and refining, invested hundreds of thousands of pounds in expert digital marketers and copywriters to create this and frame this together. And I'm going to gift this to you. This is, by the way, this is the same template that Ashley used to generate his next contract at £287,000. By the way, who would want access to that? Yeah, I want access to that. Perfect. When you join today on the premium value offer presentation, I'm going to give that to you completely complimentary. Perfect. So 3 types of bonuses that you want to recap. You want to have a quick win bonus, something that helps your client to get a quick, fast result. Second, you want to have a eliminate the pain bonus, something that removes friction and has some sort of done for you element for them. And that can be a world-class template where they've just got to fill in the blanks rather than having to write the entire thing out for themselves. Could be a sales script, could be a relationship script, for example, 25 conversations to have with your partner before you go to, before you get married, or 21 questions to ask your partner every single week, or whatever it might be. Okay, cool. Big win bonus, something that's going to give them a big result over a long period of time. Something that really makes them feel, that's going to help me to succeed. Here's a little pro tip for you. Make your bonus even more valuable than your core offer. If you do that, and when you do that, your offer will sell much faster and it will sell much more effectively to your ideal client. Most people spend all of their time talking about the core offer, but guess what? In your presentation, you've already spent 45 minutes, maybe even 60 minutes talking about the core offer and leading them into that. So if you can make the bonuses even better and even more profound, then some people are going to buy just for the bonuses. Can I give you an expert tip right now that has really transformed our business and will transform yours if you do it right? Say yes in the comments. Say, give me the tip, Jazz. Give me the tip. All right, good. And this is what we call an R10. R10. Don't make sense to you right now, but it's going to make sense to you in a second. It's going to make you a lot of money. And an R10 is simply a reason to act when? Now. Now, the biggest challenge, or one of the biggest challenges that you're going to have when it comes to your coaching, consultancy, or your agency business and selling one-to-many. By the way, the fastest way to blow up a business is sell one-to-many, high ticket, high volume, like a high price to a lot of people at the same time, in person or on a webinar presentation. I can teach you how to do that. You want to learn to master that skill, you're already successful, you want to be even more successful, go ahead and apply for our academy. The link will be somewhere below this video. But the reason to act now is super powerful because the biggest setback that you might have is a setback whereby, look, your clients are like, do you know what? I want to do it, but not right now. I'll come back next week. I'll come back next month. I'll think about it. I'm going to ask my wife and my grandma and my cat. Oh, don't forget, I've got to ask my dog too. No, they're going to come up with all sorts of excuses. It's not because they're bad people. It's just because they've been surrounded by excuses for so long and they've been living in this comfortable existence of excuses that when it comes to really elevating into excellence, their brain is going to naturally find excuses to not move forward. So you've got to find a humanistic, well-class connected way to move them away from those excuses so that they can accelerate into what? Excellence. How do you do that? A reason to act now. This is going to be your outside of your core bonuses. So you're going to have, your 3, maybe 4, even 5 bonuses here. You're not even going to display this on the screen. You're just going to say something powerful like, listen, I'm feeling generous right now. So and by the way, hands up, who's ready to move forward? Boom, you've got 20, 30% of your audience, they're ready to move forward. Perfect. For the first 5 of you, I'm feeling super generous and I want to really help you to get an accelerated result. And I feel like I can really serve you with this. By the way, who would love to work with me one-on-one to help them do X, Y, and Z? Oh, perfect. All hands go up. Brilliant. The first 5 of you, I can't do it for everybody, but the first 5 of you who commit in full today, I'm going to commit to doing a full day mastermind, strategize with you and blow up your business, blah, 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 bang, 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 bang. Amazing. Now, that reason to act now, I can say it like this, right? My clients typically invest £15,000 for one-on-one consultancy and support. And for those of you that move forward today, I can only do this for the first 5 people in order to maximize your results. I'm going to give you a full strategy day worth £15,000 when you invest £2,000 into this program today. Oh, I'm in. Come on, Mr. Rose, moves. So therefore, only dumb people don't buy, or only people that are not the right fit for your offer. That is powerful. It's a game changer. It's going to accelerate your results faster than ever before. Hey, if you need to generate an extra 6 figures into your business right now, just go ahead, do a presentation, implement the bonuses like I shared with you, and then do an R10, and just give them a powerful, compelling, magnetic reason to act now. And that might put you out a little bit in terms of your time, but guess what? You do it well, and you do 10 clients at 10 grand each, boom, 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 you're done. You're 6 figures up. You can go and buy yourself another investment property. You can go and swim in the lakes in the beautiful seas in Barbados for a couple of weeks. You can do your thing. So look, there's never an excuse not to be making the money that you want to be making. You just need the right structures and the right offers. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that video and got a lot of value from it. And if so, do me a favor, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with somebody else who you also want to be successful. I'm Jazz Rose, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Take care.